Does your back hurt? About 80% of you at some point in your life will answer yes to that question, and over a quarter of the people hearing this message are going to say yes to that question right now. That's just crazy to think about. I mean, back pain is the number 3 cause of morbidity in the US, right behind heart disease and COPD. Well, it doesn't have to be. My name is Dr. Ben Solheim from Health in Motion, and I am passionate about helping people find their way out of the misery of low back pain and sciatica. That's why I'm hosting a free workshop on low back pain and sciatica in Marshfiel. And here's what you're going to learn. You're going to learn about the number 1 biggest mistake people make when trying to help themselves, but actually it prevents them from healing. You're going to learn the most common ways of getting back pain and sciatica and how to avoid them. A surefire way to get at the root of your problem, which saves you a ton of time and a ton of money. And how your back pain can still cause you leg pain even if you don't have pain in your low back. We're also going to tell you about what successful treatment looks like without using drugs, surgery, imaging. I've seen time and time again how low back pain does not have to be a movement death sentence. Register for the workshop and I know you won't be disappointed. I look forward to seeing you in Marshfield.